Big toes exercise. Most of us spend most of our time up in our heads, and our connection to our body is pretty poor. One way to fix this is to do this exercise, moving yourself from your head so you feel your whole body. And since your toes are far, far away from your head, they're the best place to focus. If you can't feel your toes, this is usually men due to football injuries, focus on your heels or your thumbs. And if your mind wanders, and it will, just gently bring your attention back into your toes. Do this for 5 minutes, morning and evening, and any other time you think about it. So in summary, close your eyes, bring your attention to all of your toes, and focus there for 5 minutes, and bring your attention back again and again if it drifts. Do this for a few weeks, and you'll notice a big change.